Have you ever wondered if it's still possible to make $100 a day online in 2025 without showing your face, without any tech skills, and without spending hours every day hustling for clients or customers? The answer is yes. In fact, it's more achievable than ever because of artificial intelligence. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I use 3 AI tools that help me earn at least $100 per day online, completely faceless, fully automated, and with zero need for upfront investment. And stick around until the very end, because I'll show you how to connect all 3 into a repeatable income system that you can copy today. Let's be real for a second. Most people fail to make money online not because they're lazy or lack intelligence, but because they're overwhelmed. Too many options, too many shiny tools, too much conflicting advice. But once you realize that 90% of the hard work, writing, editing, designing, selling, can now be done by artificial intelligence, everything changes. You stop trying to do it all alone. You start leveraging machines to work for you. And that's where my $100 day system begins. It all starts with video content. Why? Because video is king. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or even LinkedIn, short-form and long-form video are dominating every platform. But creating videos is time-consuming, right? Not anymore. That's where the first tool comes in. Pictory AI is an AI-powered video creation platform that turns any script or blog post into a professional video in minutes. You don't need a camera, a mic, or editing skills. You just paste your text, and Pictory handles the rest, selecting visuals, adding captions, and even voiceovers. Here's exactly how I use it. I write a video script using ChatGPT. Then I paste that script into Pictory. Within 5 minutes, it generates a ready-to-publish video. I upload it to my Faceless YouTube channel. Over time, these videos start to rank, especially when optimized with proper titles and keywords. Each video brings in daily ad revenue and drives traffic to my affiliate links. With just 10-15 videos generating $3 to $10 per day each, it's easy to cross the $100 mark. But that's not the only way I monetize Pictory. I also offer faceless video creation services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Businesses, YouTubers, and marketers are willing to pay $50 to $200 per video. Using Pictory, I can deliver one in 30 minutes. Even if I sell just one per day at $100, that alone is enough. Still, there's more. I create YouTube shorts reviewing trending AI tools using Pictory. I add affiliate links in the description. Each time someone clicks and signs up, I earn a commission. And that leads me to the second tool, Systeme.io. Systeme.io is a free all-in-one platform that lets you build landing pages, collect emails, sell digital products, host online courses, and create affiliate programs. Think ClickFunnels, ConvertKit, Teachable, Gumroad, all rolled into one but free. With Systeme, I've built simple funnels that turn visitors into buyers. Here's how. I write a simple PDF or mini course using ChatGPT, like 10 AI tools to make $100 a day. I host it on a Systeme.io landing page. I connect Stripe or PayPal, and boom, I have a fully functional sales funnel. Every day, I send traffic from my YouTube videos to that funnel. Some people grab the freebie. Others buy the product. With a $39 product and just 3 sales a day, I hit 117 daily. But wait, it gets better. Systeme.io has a built-in email marketing tool. I set up automated email sequences that promote affiliate products like Pictory, Canva, or even Systeme itself. So even if someone doesn't buy immediately, I can still earn days or weeks later through my automated emails. I also launched a $9-month membership program hosted directly inside Systeme.io. It contains exclusive templates, weekly AI tool breakdowns, and bonus resources. With just 12 members, that's $108 monthly recurring revenue, without any extra work. Now you might be thinking, that all sounds great, but where do I get the content, the ideas, the emails, the sales copy? And that brings us to the third tool, ChatGPT, specifically ChatGPT with GPT-4. This is not just a chatbot. It's your business partner, your copywriter, your video script assistant, and your funnel strategist. Here's how I use it every single day to support the $100 day machine. First, I use ChatGPT to generate YouTube video ideas based on trending topics. Then I ask it to write full 1,000-1,500 word scripts for each one. These go directly into Pictory. I also ask it to write optimized YouTube titles, descriptions, and hashtags. Then I use it to create lead magnets, like free AI tool cheat sheet, which I host on Systeme.io. I ask ChatGPT to write the landing page headline, bullet points, call to action, and the follow-up email sequence. That email sequence then promotes affiliate tools. Sometimes I even ask it to write tweets and social posts to drive traffic. But here's where it gets insane. With plugins like Zapier, SEO.app, and web browser mode, ChatGPT can do live research, automate content scheduling, and even write blog posts or product descriptions directly into your website. It's like hiring a 10K month marketing team, but paying nothing. So let me now show you how everything connects into a real system. I start by asking ChatGPT to generate 3 video scripts, 1 review, 1 tutorial, and 1 comparison of AI tools. I run those through Pictory and get 3 high-quality videos. I upload them to my YouTube channel with proper titles, tags, and descriptions. In the description, I place a link to a Systeme.io landing page offering a free guide, created using ChatGPT. When viewers click and download the free guide, their email is collected automatically. Then a pre-written email sequence promotes tools like Pictory, ChatGPT Pro, and Systeme.io itself. With every click and sign-up, I earn. Some buy my $39 mini-course. Others become $9 month members. A few even hire me on Fiverr for video services. All of this compounds. Now here's the best part. After 30 days of setting up this system, the workload drops dramatically. Instead of starting from scratch each time, I'm now just repeating a proven process. Script, video, funnel, email, profit. Even if you only have 2 hours a day or just weekends free, you can build this. You don't need followers. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to talk on camera. All you need is a laptop, internet, and the right tools. Let me give you a realistic timeline. Week 1. You build your Systeme.io account, set up 1 funnel, and create 1 free guide with ChatGPT. Week 2. You create your first 3 YouTube videos using Pictory and start posting. Week 3. You begin collecting emails and sending your first automated emails. Week 4. You optimize based on clicks and views and scale up what's working. By day 30, you could be making your first $10, $50 day. By day 60, you might hit a $100 day. And if you stick with it, you could grow that into a full-time income, passively. Now I know what you might be thinking. Isn't AI getting saturated? Won't everyone be doing this? The truth is, yes, AI is everywhere. But 99% of people still don't take action. They download tools, get overwhelmed, and quit. The opportunity is wide open for action takers. And the best part? These tools are only getting smarter. If you build your systems now, you'll ride that wave for years. So, if this video gave you clarity or value, do me a favor, smash that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment saying AI Stack, and I'll personally DM you a free blueprint showing how I connect these 3 tools into one income system. Also, check the description below for my affiliate links to Pictory and Systeme.io. If you use them, you'll get bonuses and support from me. You can literally start today with no money and no experience. And if you want me to make a full build-out video where I create a script, a video, a funnel, and emails in real time, step by step, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching Tool Cash Flow. Tools don't make money. Systems do. Now go build yours.